We're going to have a look at Karakia Māori and also some tohunga. Tohunga that were born in the 1700s right through to tohunga of today. We're going to have a little look into atua Māori and then Karakia from way back in the day and how we're using it today at te whānau. So tēnei mea te tohunga. He aha tēnei mea te tohunga. So in centuries gone by, ladies and gentlemen, Karakia was actually for everyone. Ka pai, the hierarchy would be ariki, rangatira and tohunga, bearing in mind that tohunga goes many different ways, depending on the particular mahi that you were doing. If you were an expert at that mahi, you were known as a tohunga whakairo, tohunga raranga, tohunga karakia, tohunga this, tohunga that. So it was quite general, the word tohunga, but it depended what department you were in back in the day. Ariki, rangatira, tohunga, tutuwa, kuia, koraua, wāhine, tāne, tamariki, right down to taurekareka, everyone did karakia at te whānau.